friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true well-wisher. Today I will discuss the current affairs with static GK of first June. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notification to get reminder of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So to stay protected yourself from COVID-19, please maintain social distancing. Do not gather in groups, stay out of crowd and avoid mass gatherings, and most of all, stay at least 6 feet away from others outside of the home. So friend, we will go to the first question of the day. 6 batch of Rafale fighter aircraft arrives in which state in India? So 6 batch of Rafale aircraft is arriving in West Bengal. So option D is the right answer. 6 batch of Rafale fighter aircraft comprises 3 Rafale jet, very important, which will soon begin flying operation of 2nd Squadron in Hasimara, West Bengal. So the place of the West Bengal is Hasimara. India has said that there is a mistake. India has said that a total 36 Rafale fighter aircraft will bought from France. So friend, we will go to the second question. Which state government increases punishment for hospitals charging an excessive fees? So recently this initiative is taken by Andhra Pradesh government. So in the surge of COVID-19, many hospitals is charging excessive to the patient who are affected by COVID-19. So Andhra Pradesh government has taken this initiative. So friends, some information about this. According to the order, if the hospital is found to be charging more than the prescribed rate, then it will be levied 10 times of the additional amount. Very important. The CM of Karnataka is Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. Very important. So friend, third question of the day. World's first nano urea limited is developed indigenously by which company? Do you know the right answer of this question? The right answer of this question is option C, IFFCO. IFFCO stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. The world's first nano urea limited for farmers across the world was introduced by the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, that is IFFCO. It is developed at Nano Biotechnology Research Center, Kalil, very important, in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Atmanirbhar Kisi, very important. So friend, we will go to the fourth question of the day. Recently, which country ends two-child policy? So recently, option A, China ends two-child policy. China government, that is government of China, has decided to allow each couple to have 3 children, putting an end of its two-child policy. The announcement has come after the population data of China over the past decade showed the slowest population growth, very important, in the country in the decade. So when we will go to the fifth question of the day. Recently, who has become the fastest woman to scale Mount Everest? Very important question. The name of the woman is Sang Yan Hang. So option C is the right answer. She beat the earlier record of 39 hours 6 minutes by climbing in 25 hours 50 minutes. She is from Hong Kong, and the record for the first male climber is held by Lapka Galu, who completed his journey in just 10 hours and 56 minutes. Very important information. So friend, we will go to the sixth question of the day. Recently, how many Indian peacemakers honors with posthumously with prestigious UN medal? So 3 Indian peacemakers has honored by this award. So this award is given 129 military, police and civil personnel posthumously on May 27, 2021. The name of the award is Dag Hammarskjöld Medal. The three Indians are Corporal Yuvraj Singh, Ivan Michael Priado, who served as in peacekeeping force, and while serving in Sudan, they are murdered. Gulchan Jadhav is murdered while serving in Iraq for peacekeeping force. So then we'll go to the seventh question. Recently, EU, that is European Union, has approved which COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 12 years. So recently, EU has approved option C, Pfizer vaccine. So Pfizer vaccine is made US based company BioNTech, we all know that. Some information about this vaccine is made by BioNTech. So earlier USA and Canada has already given the clearance of this vaccine in this perspective. So then we will go to the eighth and last question of the day. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated every year on which date? The another name of this day is World Anti-Tobacco Day. So every year this day is celebrated in 31st May. Very important question. This year COVID-19 pandemic led millions of tobacco users quit. This is a very shocking news. That's why that is World Health Organization launched a campaign globally under the slogan of commit or quit. Very important this information. This is celebrated by World Health Organization, and the headquarters of World Health Organization is Geneva, Switzerland. The Director General of it is Tedros Adhanom. We all know that. So friend, we will go to the question which I provided you yesterday. World Hunger Day is observed every year on which date? It is observed every year on 28 May. Second question, what is the name of the capital of UAE? So the right answer of this question is Abu Dhabi. And the third question, NASA in collaboration with which company will build Earth Observatory System? So NASA in collaboration with ISRO will build Earth Observatory System. So comment it, what is the name of the system? So friend, three questions of the day which you will give answer through comment. What is the name of the capital of Turkey? Very important. Who is elected as the first female Prime Minister of Somalia? And the third question, which Indian company has been listed among top 25 firms in UK? So friend, that's all for today. Please like this video and share this. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.